Have you ever wondered what's inside your surge protector? What if it was fully transparent, revealing its design and components? Introducing the G06MU. Unlike traditional models, G06MU features copper isolation chambers that protect against water. The spring-loaded copper blades stay sealed until they're activated by a plug, keeping them safe from moisture. Waterproof? Absolutely. The G06MU is designed to withstand moisture while keeping your devices and you safe. Even if water sneaks in, G06MU's smart design with raised barriers and internal drainage channels ensures water won't touch the sensitive parts. Lightweight and compact, G06MU is the perfect travel companion. Whether you're working at the office or adventuring outdoors, it's ready for anything. The flat power cable conveniently wraps around for easy storage. With one standard AC outlet, one USB-A port, and two USB-C ports, G06MU is built for versatility to power multiple devices at once. Experience the future of surge protectors with G06MU sleek, safe, and ready to power up your world.